The tutorial I followed is Curly Clay's Creations, and she has a YouTube channel, and this is where I got this idea. It's definitely her creation.
It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, we got snow. Yeah, yesterday I was outside and I did a little bit of yard work and it did feel cold. Raked up a little bit of the yard, and then this morning we woke up to lovely snow. And it's supposed to snow most of the day today and tomorrow, and then hopefully it'll go away for the Easter weekend. So that's my news. Anyhow, welcome to my channel. I am going to play with clay today. I haven't done clay for a while. My last project didn't work very good, so I'm going to try it again. See if I can get it to work better. I did watch a few videos on how to hand build, and I got some good advice, I believe. So I think I have everything I need. I got my clay, I got some water. So my clay is pretty much even, and I got my 2 sticks, so my clay is pretty much even. My rolling pin, my tools are in my desk. So I'm going to lower you down so that you can watch what I'm doing. Okay, I got my clay here, got my boards here, and press it down. Okay, let's see if we can get our first piece, which is, this is 25 inches, which is perfect. I needed a 25-inch round. This is a cover that you use in the microwave to cover your food. Found it at, well, I didn't find it. My husband found it at a thrift store. So we bought that. And there was a whole bunch of them. And this little one also came. And I think it'll be perfect to make the little hole that I have to make in this round. So I'm going to get my pointy tool out. And I'm going to cut all around here. Alright, so where I started. This stencil, it's a big Easter egg. I really like the flowers on it. I like the pattern. I thought it would look good on here. So, here's a roll. You can see where it's coming through. Oh yes, that pattern came through very nice. I like that a lot. Okay, the top got squished a little more, but I think it's good. Just gonna, that first piece is good. I'm going to roll out another piece. And I think this is I stretched it a bit, and it's just about, it just fits. We need to put the pattern on. So that will roll it a little bit more. Take these pieces over here. Need this. I'm just going to tidy this up over here, because now we need to put a hole in. I hope that goes enough through. I probably shouldn't have done that. Okay, just going to cut close to here. Oops. Oh, that's kind of crooked. Oh well, I can always clean it up, I guess. There's that one. And here's the planter sits on. Oops. Okay, Sharon, concentrate. Get that piece off of there. We don't need that. For the planter. There. And we'll have to find something else. I'm on flat surfaces so they can dry. And I'm just using my little step ladder, which works pretty good. And just cover them up so they don't dry too fast, because if it dries too fast, it's going to crack. You just want it leather hard. So there's my little drying rack. Gotta do what you gotta do. Out. Now we got it. Yep. Okay, that's patterned. This is the next day, and we left the clay and let it sit overnight, and it's gotten nice and firm. And so here I'm measuring out the piece that's going to go around the two circles that I've made. So I'm measuring it, and I'm finding the centerpiece and marking that. And the strip needs to be 2 inches wide. So I also measured that. And I'm now cutting out the strip that we'll use to put around the outside of the circles to make the planter. I'm cutting the bottom off so that it's even, because those edges were pretty crooked. So just going to cut that off. Kind of nervous because I don't like to measure things or do things exact, but this kind of needs to be done exact. So I was listening to the tutorial as I was doing this, and that really helped. Her tutorials are fantastic. She gives very good instructions. She goes slow enough so you can understand, and it really helped. Okay, I got both of these. I got it all cut now so we can do the edge around the circle. I wasn't comfortable enough to try and instruct you on how to do this. I really, really recommend that you watch her tutorials. They're very good and very informative, and she's much more confident in teaching you than I am. I just wanted to show you what I do in pottery. I'm not a teacher. I just like to do it.
Okay, it's coming together nice. Got that first piece on and it seems to be pretty firm, and it seems like the sides are going to hold up. So now we'll get that second piece put on, and now it's starting to look like a planter. It's pretty awesome when it comes together. If you're going to try this project, please go to the Curly Pottery tutorial, and you'll find this tutorial on her site, and many more, which I'm excited to try in the future. And I'd like to thank her for sharing her experience and everything. And her tutorial was great. I had good instructions. So please, if you're going to do this, use her tutorial. Curly Pottery tutorial is what it's called. Anyhow, I would like to thank everybody who watched this video. I know it's a little bit longer than usual, but it's hard to know what to cut out, what not to cut out. So I hope you enjoyed it all. And if you did, please give me a like, a thumbs up, a comment, and please subscribe. Please, I'd love you to subscribe. Bye.